Hey there, beautiful family. Thank you so much for clicking my video. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Today's wig show and tell is from Ashimary Hair. And let me tell you, this wig is stunning. If you're interested, I'll have the direct link to this wig in the description box below, along with some other links that you just might find helpful. And if I can snag a special coupon code for you, I will be sure to include that as well. So check the description box. Now let's get into it. When you order from Ashimary Hair, they package everything so neatly and include some awesome free gifts. Since I received this wig back in October, I got some fun Halloween themed goodies. Here's what came in the box: a pink spider hair clip and a cute skull hair cuff, a 3-pack of mink eyelashes, black and gold hairpins, an edge brush / comb and glue applicator, 2 HD wig caps, an Ashimary edge band, 2 makeup applicators, Ashimary hairline tape. There's a product care booklet which includes information on returns, exchanges, and their contact details. And wait, there's more. They also went all out. I got an Ashimary bonnet and robe. Talk about luxury. Thank you, Ashimary Hair. They even include a new replaceable adjustable elastic band in case if I don't want to use the teal one that's already attached to the wig. Now let's take a closer look at the inside cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. The cap construction includes 2 combs behind the lace, 1 comb in nape area, a removable adjustable elastic band. The lace is transparent lace. The hair feels silky to the touch. And here's how the wig looks straight out of the package. This beauty is 24 inches. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes. It comes lightly pre-plucked and the knots are visible. I'm not sure if you could bleach the knots, but I wouldn't try it. Off camera, I went in and plucked the hairline. So the left side is how the hairline comes. The right side is what I did. Sorry, I could have been a little bit more detailed with how I showed how I plucked my hairline, but I just plucked it a little bit, not too much, y'all. So here I am, and off camera, I quickly straightened the wig with my flat iron. It was really easy to straighten because the hair pretty much already came straight. It just needed a little bump, a little and it feels really good, nice, soft, and silky. Is flowing, is moving, and I love the highlights. They go together real bad. So underneath the wig, I'm going to wear a brown stocking cap, and I'm just going to try the wig on and see how I'm liking it so far. Operation Try On was a success, so now it's time to move on. The lace on the hairline is longer than my hairline, so towards the ear tabs, I'm going to cut out some extra lace, and I'm going to try to cut it into the shape of my ear. It might not come the exact shape, but just enough where it can lay flat on my hairline and behind my ears. The scissors I'm using to cut off that extra lace is eyebrow scissors. I find using eyebrow scissors helps it more easy to navigate than using shears or bigger scissors. I didn't realize this before, but the combs that are in the inside of the wig, they are removable and you can slide them back in if you would like to use it later. So if you're not a fan of combs, just a heads up, you can remove it. So I'm not sure if I did this before, but I took 2 layers of glue. The glue I'm using is the CB Pro hair glue, and I applied 2 layers in front of my hairline, 2 thin layers. And then I went in and laid the wig down onto the glue. I usually cut the lace off and then apply the wig, but I was like, let me try something a little different today. and I messed up. I could have brought some more, not brought, but put more glue on my forehead in front of my hairline. So instead of having a 4-head, I feel like I have a 5-head, but it's okay because the end result was still nice, but I felt like I had a little too much forehead, but it's okay. I'm just showing my wig show and tell. Next, I'm going to use this CB Hair Pro mousse and pump some of this onto the hairline of the lace, and then tie it down with a edge band. I blow dried the hairline for about 2 minutes on the warm setting, and I left the edge band on after that for 3 minutes. So altogether I had the edge band on for about 5 minutes, and then I changed into my Ashimary robe, and this robe is so cute. This is the free robe you get when you order. Now it's 5 minutes later, and I'm going to take off the edge band. If you do try the steps that I did in the video, I recommend keeping on the edge band longer for a more better melt, but I'm just doing this for a wig show and tell, so I was like, let me just leave this for now. And the leftover foundation on my brush, I'm just going to take it and wipe it on top of the lace hairline. By the parting space, I applied this LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, so the parting space could look a little bit more like scalp. Next, I used a wide tooth comb to comb out the hair, and the comb was going right through. I didn't get any tangles. Okay, beautiful people, here's my final review of the wig I got from Ashimary Hair. On the website, this one is called Customized Blonde Balayage on Brown Hair Transparent 13x4 and 13x6 Full Lace Frontal Wig by Ashimary Hair. Yeah, I know, super detailed title. Let me quickly share my thoughts on the wig. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this hair is silky to the touch. The highlights are really cute, and I absolutely love how they blended it. There are no harsh lines of demarcation, so the transitions between the colors look super natural. Once you match the lace to your skin tone, the transparent lace isn't too hard to melt or blend. I will say I wanted to wear this wig glueless, but when it comes to blonde wigs on me, I feel like I need to melt the lace with a product to get that flawless finish. The hair color is such a pretty combination. It doesn't need any toning, but since it's a virgin hair wig, you can tone it or dye it if you want to customize it any further. When I styled this wig, I experienced no tangles at all, but in terms of shedding, I did notice a medium amount of shedding. One thing about this wig, it's definitely a showstopper. The color is bold and perfect for anyone looking to make a statement. The length I'm wearing is 24 inches, but for reference, I'm 5'6", and it looks a little longer on me, more like 26 inches. The ends are nice and healthy, which is a plus. This wig is available in the lengths ranging from 14 inches all the way up to 30 inches, and you can choose between straight or body wave textures. As for the size of this wig, my hair circumference is 22 inches, and I did have stretch cap room material left in there, so I definitely needed to use that adjustable elastic band that came on the inside. and it only comes in one size only. So if you have a larger head, like 23 or 24 inches, I feel like you're in for the clear. If you have a smaller head, you are definitely gonna have to use the adjustable elastic band. It's gonna have to be your friend. So that's pretty much it for my wig show and tell. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll try my best to get back to them as soon as possible. And like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there. Later, you guys.